Good morning students, class 9th. I am Vijay Kumar Jha. Today I am going to teach you English grammar. Your topic is voice and this is its part 4. In the previous part I have explained all the helping verbs of active and passive, and I hope you must have remembered and made fair of it. This time try to take care about modal helping verbs and infinitives. Just here you know about modal, the helping verb after which only first form of a main verb is used, that is known as modal helping verb. So this time you will learn how to change modal helping verb, semi-modal helping verb and infinitive into passive. Just care here. Point first, to change a modal, semi-modal and infinitive to be is used before V3 in passive. Just care here. You have a modal helping verb. Now there will be question in your mind how to change it into passive. Not only modal, if there is semi-modal also, infinitive also, then you have to use to be of your own before third form of a main verb in passive voice. Just care here. Modal helping verbs. Modal helping verbs. They are can, could, may, might, shall, should, will, would, must, ought to, etc. Semi-modals. Semi-modals. They are is to, am to, are to, was to, were to, has to, have to, had to. These are known as semi-modals. And infinitive. Two plus V1 is known as infinitive. Now just care here. If you have a sentence, he can do this work. Now this is in active. Now you have to change into passive. So this work is the object of the sentence. Write down first, make it subject. This work. Now you have made object as subject. After subject you have to use can, that is helping verb. This work can. Now I have just told you to use to be. Here this work can be done. Can be done. Here don't use to, only be. This work can be done by him. This is passive. Like that, he will call me. Activities. Now write down